Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to talk about what is a backlink and why they are important. Backlinks are going to be a link which is a mention of your website on any external websites. When external websites mention your website on their pages, that is what we refer to as a backlink, which we get. So the more backlinks which we get, it would mean that other websites are vouching for our website, and that is going to be good for our search results. So why it is important is backlinks, if you look at it, represents a voice of confidence from one side to the another. So when other websites are providing links of your website in their pages, they are considering your website to be trustworthy, and that is why they are doing so. And that is what Google as a search engine also notices. And because of which your domain authority or your authenticity of your website increases. So the more backlinks which you can get, which are relevant backlinks, which we can get, it helps to rank better on Google search results. As per a study as well, what we have seen is that out of the top ranking websites, domains which are there, they had at least one backlink on their websites. So, which is again a clear indicator that having backlinks on the website is a very good practice. Another thing which we saw is that over 50% of qualified sites without any backlink could never come up on the first page. So that's again a drawback of not having a backlink on your website. So our intent always remains that we do have backlinks, but not too many of them. But whatever backlinks which we get need to be relevant and which adds value as well to our users. So let's see this, guys, as an example, how these backlinks would look like on a live page. So let's say this is an article which is around NASA snakeboard designed. Okay. So if you go to the article now, so they have provided a particular backlink for Exobiology Extent Life Surveyor, EELS. Okay. So possibly they feel that this particular surveyor, this particular product, it has trust, and they've provided a backlink of this particular website. So when we click on it, it takes us to a different website altogether, which is the jplnasa.gov. So this way, this website has got a backlink from TechCrunch, and that is how the search results ranking becomes better for a website like this. I hope this makes sense. You understand now what is a backlink and the use case of it and why it is so important for any website to have. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session, and I will see you in the next video.